If you own a property or you're planning to buy one, whether it is house, land, or condominium, here's something you should know about real property tax or what we commonly call amilyar. So your responsibilities don't end after you fully paid for the property. Amilyar or real property tax is a local tax imposed on real properties such as land, houses, and other improvements. And yes, this is something property owners need to remember every year. You can generally pay your real property tax annually or in 4 installments. And here's the important part. Kapag hindi mo nabayaran on time, your unpaid real property tax can start accumulating interest. Under the local government code, unpaid RPT may be charged 2% interest per month or fraction thereof subject to a maximum period of 36 months. So wag nating hayaang lumaki dahil lang nakalimutan natin. And here's a quick clarification. Real property tax or amilyar and tax declaration are not the same thing. So a tax declaration or tax deck is a document issued by the local assessor's office containing information about the property for taxation purposes, such as the declared owner, property classification, assessed value, and other property details. Think of it as the LGU's tax record of the property. And on the other hand, amilyar or RPT is the actual tax you have to pay based on the assessed value of the property na makikita dun sa tax deck. Remember, having a tax declaration does not automatically mean your real property tax is already paid. You'll receive an official receipt or proof of payment once you pay for your RPT, and make sure you keep your official receipt as part of your property records. As property owner, you have to consider the responsibilities that come with property ownership, like real estate or real property tax, association dues if applicable, insurance, maintenance, and other recurring expenses. That's why you should remember that when you are budgeting for a property, don't just think about the down payment and monthly amortization. Because buying a property is one thing. Maintaining it responsibly is part of being a property owner too. Follow Property RX for more practical things you should know before and after buying a property.